पहिले म्हणल्यार म्हणजे बाजूक जी बसल्या पर्सनॅलिटी गोयची बाय म्हणजे तिका खरंच इंट्रोडक्शनची गरज ना. प्रत्येक गोयच्या गावात तिचें नाव आसा. प्रत्येक गोयच्या तरणाटे बाय म्हणजे ताका वळखून जाणा. सो आमकां खोस भोगता काल बाय प्रतिमा कुटिनो हांणी आम आदमी पक्षान प्रवेश केलो. आमचे नॅशनल कन्व्हिनर तशेंच दिल्लीचे मुखेलमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी हाणें तिका पार्टीन स्वागत केलें. तिचे उल्लेख केले तिणें काम जे गोंयांत केलां बारीक मनशा खातीर प्रत्येक गोंयकार खातीर हाजे सगळ्यांक तुमकां नोंद केल्ली आसा. तिचे नावेलीत पुरते न्हय, सावथ गोवा सुद्दां न्हय, पूर्ण गोंयांत तिचो उल्लेख जाता. तिणें जे इश्यूज घेतल्या बारीक मनशा खातीर, कॉमन मॅना खातीर, आम आदमी खातीर जे इश्यूज घेतल्या ते सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा बाय प्रतिमा कुटिनोन आम आदमी पक्षान प्रवेश करून आमच्या पक्षाक आनीक बळ मेळ्ळा. आमच्या पक्षाक जो प्रोत्साहन आसता तो उत्साह नेट आसा तो आनीक वाडला, दोबरात जाला. तशेंच येता काळांत प्रतिमा कुटिनो हे आमचे फुडारी आसतले. त्याच बरोबर बाकीचे पार्टीन आसा किंवा सिव्हिल सोसायटी मेंबर आसा, तरणाटे आसा, तांकां उलो मारता की आता जो फुडार आसा गोंयचे फुडार फुडें व्हरपा खातीर, बरें करपा खातीर तो एकूच प्लॅटफॉर्म आसा तो आम आदमी पार्टी. तेन्ना हो फुडार फुडें व्हरपाक, गोंयचे बरें करपाक, फुडें व्हरपाक आम आदमी पक्षान तुमकां स्वागत करता. तुमचे दार उडे आसा. तेन्ना तुमी फुडें येवचें आनी गोंय वाचोवपाक आनी गोंय फुडें व्हरपाक आम आदमी पक्षाक तेंको दिवचो.
तुमकां सगळ्यांक सांगपाक सोदता that as I've gone and met Bab Kejriwal, the CM of Delhi, dynamic personality and of course the convener of AAP. When I met him and when he welcomed me, with all humility, I accepted the joining of Aam Aadmi Party in Goa. आणि दुसरें म्हणल्यार सांगपाक सोदता की खरेंच खंय तरी म्हाका I feel that I can breathe that fresh air and I can see the difference within 24 hours. The calls, the messages, what I've got. People are so happy with my decision that I am getting lot of feedback that you have taken the best decision, Pratima, because for me, Goa and Goans are my priority. हांवें सदांच लोकां खातीर आनी गोंया खातीर झुजलां. रस्त्यार देवून हांवें म्हजे लायफाची परवानगी करूं ना. आय हॅव नॉट थॉट अबाउट माय सेल्फ बेनिफीट or self promotion, but I've always kept the interest of Goa and Goans at heart. I would like to mention this when I'm speaking, and when you all are sitting in front of me, the press media brothers, not only from Panjim, Margaon, Kankon, Pedne, Mapsa, everywhere, you all have always supported me and seen that you all have highlighted the issues, the agitations I have taken for the common man. Now why I have joined Aam Aadmi? I have joined Aam Aadmi because I have seen their ideology, I have seen their trend, I have seen their growing popularity, and I have seen that they are here to stay. We have seen the national parties, both the national parties. It may be BJP or it may be Congress. I don't want to criticize anyone, but when yesterday, when I was flying to Delhi, and the minute I landed in Delhi, I saw nearly around 200 to 300 missed calls on my phone. They were messaging, pouring. I'm sorry I could not pick anybody's calls because I was heading to meet the CM of Delhi. And then now I've seen messages coming to me, and I would not like to boast about it, but with all humility like to tell that there were open offers coming to me from the most powerful people, maybe from Congress or BJP. Offerachi जाल्यार म्हाका हें आशिल्लें की प्रतिमा rethink about it. We are giving you this, आमी तुका हें करतात, टिकेट दितात, आमी तुका हो पोजिशन दितात, मातशें आमचे बरोबर यो. But no, I took up this. If I was greedy and if I was crazy and hungry for power, I would have definitely chosen BJP like these jumping frogs who are gone. Now if you see on this माचेर तुम्ही पळयल्यार पेट्रिसिया पळयात, वेन्झिक पळयात, बाब मांब्रे पळयात, बाब टिल्वे पळयात, तांचो बॅकग्रावंड पळयात. Nobody is coming from family raj or politics. Nobody is coming from dynastic politics. They are all educated, literates coming from very good backgrounds who want to make a change in Goa. They are, I would like to tell you that I have seen their work, I have seen them working. Aap Aadmi doesn't sitting in big offices and only giving press conferences like other parties, but they believe in working at the ground level. I want to tell the people of Goa, there's only hope in AAP today. Because तुम्ही पळयलां आसतलें BJP एक सायडीन कशें तेणी इम्पोर्ट केल्ले आसा लिडर्स आनी तांचो सरकार चलोवपाक लागल्या. तांकां लोकांनी मॅन्डेट दिवनाशिल्लो आनी दुसऱ्या सायडीन जे पार्टीत हांव आशिल्ले पक्षांत आशिल्ले आनी तांचेर उलयल्लो जे आपल्या फायद्या लागून जेका हांवें काम केल्लें, कार्य केल्लें, प्रचार केल्लो ते आपल्या फायद्याक लागून आपल्या सेल्फ डेव्हलपमेंटाक लागून थंय गेल्या. It is time to introspect for you all that if Pratima wanted, would have taken the biggest powerful positions what they wanted to give me yesterday. I would have been sitting there if I was greedy and powerful. But no. आता जशे आमच्या पक्षाचे सिम्बॉल आसा झाडू, खूब मिनिंगफुल आसा तो. That is not only झाडू म्हणल्यार एक घर साफ करना और एक लोकेलिटी साफ करना, घाण साफ करता आनी हांगा वायटा घाण साफ करपाक. आनी तुमकां खबर आसतलें जे उल्लेख करतलें हांव की this was a very bold and courageous decision that I have taken. I have taken this bold decision. I have heard my heart yesterday. हांवें म्हजे मनांतल्या आनी काळजांतल्या आयकलां. It was not an easy decision for me. With a very heavy heart I have taken this decision because I have seen how they have been working. म्हाका खरें खंय तरी दिसतालें की they are trying to do something because तांची आयडियोलॉजी पळयात. They are not communal. They are here only for the interest of the AAP. I am sure तुम्ही एक चान्स समज दिलो आपाक गोंयांत कितें तुम्ही दितली म्हूण म्हाका खबर आसा कित्याक the messages I got, and let me make it a point, the day I lost ZP, I realized how I was being used by Congress. I don't want to criticize them now because that is a history for me. I would not like to talk about them, but yes, I was played. I thought that I am fighting with my own leaders when I had refused the offer of going for ZP. They forced me to contest. They promised me to work, but none of them were seen. They had come only for formality. And it's better घरात राहून तांचे कडेन झगडलेले परस भायर राहून तांचे रॉंग डुईंग्स, तांचे जे रॉंग करतात ते हायलायट करपाचो म्हजो मुद्दो आसा. आनी लास्ट बाब गिरीश चोडणकर ताका सांगूंक सोदता बाबा तुवें 2 फावटी रिजायन केला, तुका हांव क्रिटिसायज करना, तूं टेम्पररी प्रेसिडेंट आसा सारकें आसा, पूण तुवेंच 2 म्हयन्या फाटीं खंय तरी म्हणिल्लें की ओन्ली आप कॅन गिव अ फायट टू काँग्रेस पार्टी. सो तुकाय खंय तरी भितरल्यान खबर आसा की लोकांचे वारे कितें आसा तें.